Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by spotting which cookies are not from the site you opened. That distinction is crucial. Open developer tools and filter network requests to third-party domains, then inspect set cookie headers to capture attributes. Once done, note the cookie domain, path, expiration, secure flag, and same site setting so you understand access scope. Make sure to record which embedded scripts or iframes set them, because that link explains how third parties can read or write those cookies. This identification is your first actionable move. You now trace the cookie flow. When the browser makes a request to a third-party domain, it attaches matching cookies in the cookie header. Because of same site and secure policies, cookies labeled same site equals none and marked secure are the ones sent in cross-site contexts. Explain why. TLS ensures confidentiality. Once you trigger an image, iframe, or fetch to that third domain, watch the request headers and server responses to see how cookies influence content personalized or logged by the third party. This reveals them. You finish by confirming what the third party does with the cookie. Match it to user profiles, log events, or serve ads. Understand why persistence matters for tracking. Then make changes. Modify cookie attributes or block domains in the browser to stop cross-site sending, and update server logic if needed. If things fail, check the same site and secure flags, domain/path mismatches, and whether the browser or an extension is blocking third-party cookies. That troubleshooting tip fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.